What's up, guys? So today we're going to a waterfall called Tres Piscinas that you can jump off of and just dive in, and normally pretty fun time.
Hey guys, it's James. So we're on our way up the waterfall. We have a nice little dog tour guide. It's still severely dark, but apparently I know how to fix it. Still dark, that's fine. But I'm gonna start vlogging at the top of the waterfall instead when you can see me.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Money me a couple dollars. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what say that. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out, and all these lanes gonna tell you what I did, and they twist and they once till I fall out. But I know that, so I keep what I'm doing cause I own that. And I stay in the lab and I kill everything, but I don't ever move, I'm a Kodak. So I'm gone, finally back in my home. I'm working like so much, they swear I had me a clone. Can't answer my phone now, just leave it there at that tone.
Hey everyone, it's Emily. So we just did that, and it was great. I've realized it's a lot more fun to just do it. You want to figure it out.
That was a lot of fun. Chickened out doing a backflip,
but she actually knows how to do it. Like, she knows what she's doing, and she knows that bad idea. Yeah. So people have jumped from here, here, in there, and lived? Did they live?
yeah.
And lived.
That's a big drop.
Friend pals. Okay, I'm done.
So we had a bit of a malfunction with Drake. He kind of slipped and ate crap going down the waterfall, and now he's barefoot. And oh look, he got a wound. Let's see it.